Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage affiliate marketing with LinkedIn, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin managing affiliate marketing on LinkedIn, first, create a professional LinkedIn profile. Ensure your profile showcases your expertise and includes a professional photo. Add a compelling headline that reflects your affiliate marketing focus. Next, optimize your profile summary. Highlight your skills and achievements in affiliate marketing. Connect with relevant professionals in your niche. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry. Engage in discussions and share valuable insights within these groups. Once you establish your presence, identify potential affiliate programs that align with your niche. Research affiliates that are reputable and offer suitable commissions for your audience. After selecting programs, create engaging content relevant to the products you're promoting. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to write articles that discuss industry trends and include your affiliate links. Share these articles with your network to increase visibility. Consider creating short, informative posts that highlight the benefits of the products. Use visuals such as images or infographics to make your posts more appealing. Regularly update your connections on new products, offering authentic reviews based on your experience. Utilize LinkedIn's private messaging feature to reach out to potential collaborators or partners. Track the performance of your affiliate links using analytics tools. Adjust your strategy based on the data you gather to improve results. Maintain consistent engagement with your network to build trust and credibility. Continuously seek feedback from your audience to enhance your affiliate marketing approach. Stay updated on changes within LinkedIn's policies regarding affiliate marketing. With dedication and strategic planning, you can effectively manage affiliate marketing on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.